Welcome to Gadget Hunter.
Here are the mini projectors for your home. Number 1. This portable, wireless projector keyboard is perfect for using your iPhone or tablet anywhere. Number 2. The HY320 mini projector offers a compact, portable, and high-quality 4K Android device for cinema projections. Number 3. The ThyndL Mini Portable HD Projector is a compact, versatile home theater solution option.